Okay, is this the letter you wrote to me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. A say I love you, and I love you the most. I love you, and I love you the most. The end.
Oh, I love that story. You love me the most? No, I love you the most. Because I've loved you your whole entire life.
No, this is about me loving you.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for that beautiful letter.
You're welcome. Hey, can I wrap this one up now?
What are you going to wrap it up into?
Into a rolly roll. Look, a rolly roll.
Well, that's a cool rolly roll.
Now I'm going to take one. Now I'm going to put this one in.
Okay. Are you feeling better today or no?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Now I'm going to read this book to you again.
Okay.
It says, I love you. It says, you love me the most.
I do love you the most. What else does it say?
It says, I love you the most.
You do?
Yeah. Okay.
You're a great storyteller.
Okay. Here goes. Okay, here goes. I love you the most. And I love you the most. I love you.
Oh no, the doggies.
What?
I gotta turn this off because the dogs are gonna start barking. The FedEx